Hello everyone. So today we are going to do an introduction of an electronic parts, and this parts will be we will do many experiments with it. We have a target of 50 experiment in this challenge. We will do that. But first we need to understand the parts of the electronics. So let's get started. So first of all, we have a part called a motor, but it is also known as a toy motor. Toy motor are used in experiments or projects we do. So we'll use that in our experiment later. Then we have a motor again, but it is known as round motor because of its size and shape. So this is also used in experiments. Here we have a vibration motor which creates a vibration to our experiment. So I'll show you how. The part over here moves. The part over here is called the cam, which moves and creates a vibration. Then over here, again this is a motor, but it is created and called a double shift motor. Now over here we just have one shaft, but over here this is created on two shafts. So this is a different kind of motor used. Now we have a gear motor, the gear we use in car. So this is how it looks, and so we have our wheel in our car, and then we press our gear, accelerator and things, and it creates a movement, and it changes our speed. So this also creates a vibration sound. So after motors, let's go to our switches. Now we have the same switches that we have in our house. We on it, we off it. But there are different types of switches. So let's see. First of all, we have an on-off switch. So on-off switch cuts power circuit. So it works like this. We on it, we off it, we on it and we off it. So this is the one type of switch. Then we have a slide switch. In some of our toys there are some slide switch underneath that. So it looks like this. We on it, we off it, we on it, we off it. Now we have a press switch over here. It is also one kind of switch like this. And then we have a direction switch which has a small circuit within it attached to the switch, which looks something like this. So we have our normal switch over here, and then a small circuit is attached to it, which is called a direction switch. Then we have a push button. This was a press switch and this is a push button. So it works like this. So after switches, let's go to our LED lights. So have you seen my video which I shared with you? In that we learned primary colors, secondary colors and tertiary colors. But I told you that we'll go more deeply in tertiary colors. So there is time for learning that. So first of all, we have over here, we have big LED which looks like this. Then we have a super LED which has more power and has more brightness, which looks like this. Then we have a bright LED which is very tiny but its brightness is nice. And then we have different color LED, means the terry colors LED we have in DJ party and weddings. I already mentioned that in my last video. Last means the terry color video. So after LED lights, let's go to our magnets. So in magnets, we have small magnets, we have small ring magnets, we have oval shaped magnets, then we have bar magnet, then we have circle magnet, then we have U-shaped magnet. So I'll show you one sample of it. So small magnet looks something like this. Then this is the small ring magnet. Then we have oval shaped magnet, bar magnet, circle magnet and U-shaped magnet. So first of all, I would like to tell you magnets is the big topic to learn. So we'll have more videos for learning magnets. So this is just the introduction of magnets, and just to know that magnets are connected to the electronics. That's why magnets are over here. Now this is dismissed for assembly with the item which we are making. And this is a tester for checking the power. So now we have always seen a big solar panels on our house tops and any other ways. But I have a small solar plate for my experiments. So we'll see that in our more videos. Then we have a 9V battery, and V is for voltage. Then we have a AA battery. We also have AAA battery, but I don't have right now. Then we have 4 popular. 4 popular means that has 4 wings. Then we have 3B popular. Then we have our elastics. Then I also have 2B popular, which has 2 wings. So basically popular is a fan. Then I have a big pulley, you can see over here. Then I have a small pulley, and this is the belt for pulleys. Then we have over here a core wire, which we'll use in our other experiments. Here we have AA cell holder. And this is AA battery holder. Then we have 9V connector to connect the batteries together. We have a buzzer. These are the clips. We have screw and nut. There are small tiny plates called zinc plates. And these are called copper plates. We have a same wire like this, but it is made up of copper. So it is called copper wire. Then we have a long nut ball. We have a bush. We have a spacer. We have a foam ball. You have always seen this foam balls underneath the tables to not get scratches around all over the house. So this was. Now over here we have a register which looks something like this, and we have a translator which looks something like this. So this was an introduction of an electronic parts. So first of all, I'd like to remind you that we all have a target of 50 experiments. So we'll do that one experiment in other videos. So thank you.